Hi, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to configure your company. Here on my dashboard, you will need to click on Change Company. Then we're going to go to the company that you want to work with. And in this case, we are busy with a web agency. We're going to click on this little configuration icon. And then at the top of the page, you'll see Configuration. Click on that. Now you will have 3 tabs. Now the first one is General. Here you will be able to disable the chat and the ticket system while you are still creating your help desk. And maybe you do not want it to be active on your site yet. But please note that if you already added the code to your script settings, the icons will already be on your site. So if someone visits your site, they will be able to click on the icons and register, but nothing will show up for them because you have disabled them. So when it is gray like this, it means that the chat is activated and people will be able to create tickets and so forth. If you slide it to the right, it turns green, and that means that you disabled the chat. So I'm going to leave mine because I want it to be active. Then I'm going to go to chat. Now here you can decide how many chats a customer can open simultaneously on your site. Note that if it is on 0, there is a message. Then you have deactivated the limit. In this example, I'm going to just leave it on 1 because I'd like to have only 1 open at a time. The next tab is tickets. It works exactly the same as the chat, but I am going to allow the customer to have more than 1 ticket open, so I'll just make a plus. So after you've made all these changes, all you need to do is to click on Save. And that is how you configure a company. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in another.